Now you can work in a highly integrated, comfortable and protective envelope, with big wide views for grinding and weld prep, as well as for precise welding. The 3M Speedglas MP system offers up to 5 levels of protection. Protection for your face, your eyes, your head, your hearing, and your respiratory system. Weld with constant UV-IR protection, multiple dark shades, and auto-on operation. See more natural colors and contrasts, which may help you achieve a lighter, brighter, more realistic view of your work. Take full advantage of the large viewing area, while increasing your peripheral vision with 2 Shade 5 side windows. Appreciate big, clear views through the curved protective visor for weld prep, inspecting welds, and grinding. Protect your hearing with one of 5 different 3M Peltor earmuffs. Breathe deeply, knowing you have 500 NPF respiratory protection from a slim, lightweight, ergonomically designed, powered air respirator that provides you with a constant flow of clean air and the ability to adjust the helmet's airflow distribution. Quickly and easily connect or disconnect the helmet's swiveling breathing tube. Protect your head from falling objects with our EN397 safety helmet. For lighter weight, use our EN812 bump cap for protection from stationary hazards. For even more protection, check out our flame retardant shroud and our heat-reflecting helmet cover. Our MP systems are designed to meet or exceed applicable CE safety standards. Discuss your welding protection needs with us.